Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Una Ear Device, Una know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, my wisdom warriors, first I want to talk about this because I see the labor right them going around and having a jolly good time. But me want to the labor right no say. Yeah? Me want to remember say the report not table out yet. The report not table out yet. So all of this one I talk about is unconfirmed. It is unconfirmed. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this. This is what the labor right them I put up. I put up Mark Golding picture. Let me tell you something, labor right. Andrew Holness cannot walk in Mark Golding shoes. No dear. Andrew Holness break the law of the lands. How that man fi walk in a Mark Golding shoes? Mark Golding never break the law of the lands. How Andrew Holness fi walk in a Mark Golding shoes? All on the labor right, una go suffer like dog. Una go suffer like drunk raw. Una labor right. Una know una ratted yourself. Me fi really wonder if una live in a Jamaica. The one them we have beat up them finger upon social media. Me fi really wonder if a Jamaica una live. Una know how the place stay. Una know what is going on out here. Una know what Andrew Holness do, including una too. Una labor right. Una know what Andrew Holness do to we. And every day una out here a different a criminal. You know what that mean? That mean una criminal too. We not expect better from una. We can't expect better from una. We are try because we know that in the end it a go reach una too. Just like when do to we in the pandemic and reach the labor right and reach the PNP and no found the labor right come out and did a ball. No found did a come out and a ball. So no forget all about that. And make Andrew Holness a check on with infrastructure, and buses. And healthcare system is failing. A man that put wealth over health. Wealth over health. And him on love. You know, sister, uno no sense. Come like you see what go on. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this. So the labor right them have this around saying 5 investigated for illicit enrichment. This is a lie. Labor right, stop tell lie. Stop tell ratted or lie. This is a lie, man. On a wicked so man. Me say if God was like man, no found a dead long time. How no so wicked? How no so terrible? My wisdom warriors, when the Observer put this out, you see the labor right them? Them not easy. Them just a mislead the people them. And it is really sad because these people know what is happening. And it pain me heart if you know say them want fool the Jamaican people. And that me really upset about. You see me, I'm a fear person. My wisdom warriors. You understand? And when I see labor right doing this, and a lot of genuine people out there don't understand because UNO put out 5 investigated for illicit enrichment. That is a lie. You can't say investigated. They weren't investigated for anything. According to Observer, take a look, my wisdom warriors. 5 PNP, 3 JLP politicians reported. It's a report. That means that UNO dirty kin labor right, cook up something and report. That this is according to the Observer. I don't even believe it anyway. But listen, if them call and then say they report 5 PNP and 3 JLP, let me tell you now, the 5 PNP, according to Observer, the 5 PNP and the 3 JLP that is reported to Integrity Commission is not the illicit 8. The illicit 8, remember, the illicit 8 is under ongoing investigation. The illicit 8 is under ongoing investigation. Who remember the last time when in about 2 months ago, who remember when the IC came out and said 2 more was added to the 6? Remember? Me want to remember good in Jamaica. You remember it was illicit 6. And then nationwide news run with the observer run with it. Me want to remember, you know. And IC came out and blast them because I saw they come out before the report. Table out my wisdom warriors and they ended in a problem. IC came out and said them to stop tell lie upon them. Who remember? Because them didn't want Jamaican people think say are only 2 alone or 4 alone. One of them, something like that. Who remember my wisdom warriors? Who remember? It was the same very nationwide news and the same very observer run out. And IC blast them. Remember the report never table out. Remember it is illicit 6 and then 2 added. Remember, me tell you now what me I get at now. Remember the IC could not say if the 2 was PNP or JLP. So why uno think say the IC now I go say 5 from PNP and 3 from JLP? The only person who knows say 5 is from PNP and 3 from JLP is the same very person will report upon the PNP them. It is a setup. It is a setup. And then the little dirty king labor right them, the little dunce back them all over social media. All over social media make a fool of themselves. Uno stupid. Uno look stupid because the reporter got table out. And uno go look like fool. But uno want it if you look like say 5 are from PNP. Lie, never. 5, no PNP is not under no investigation. No PNP. Uno to ratted will lie. So my wisdom warriors, when Matu Samoa wife, yeah, because she is a deputy managing director. You see all of them something here? You see all of them something here, my wisdom warriors? But you know say, uno was on love Jamaica and want Jamaica better. Uno no love nobody but uno ratted ourselves. And may God deal with uno. May the universe deal with uno. Yeah, uno too wicked and terrible. Uno too wicked and terrible. My wisdom warriors. Uno believe say the last time when IC came out and said illicit 6 and there's 2 more added. Remember say nationwide did I create a narrative. Uno remember and observe 2 of them and they come back with this crap. Uno if you know say this is a distraction. And I want to share my video. Come on, want everybody here. I want everybody here. Same way nationwide news run out the last time. And don't forget and observer do the same thing. That's why IC blast them. That's why I see blast them, my wisdom warriors. For what them do the last time and then come back, come do the same rubbish again and report no table yet. So uno labor right. Stop tell lie about 5 investigated. That is a lie. The 8 illicit is JLP. The 8 illicit is JLP. You understand? I remember when Mark Golden did talk about this illicit 6. Yeah, that time Andrew Wallace never put out no gag order. Then if Andrew Wallace now have nothing to hide, why him not lift the gag order? Why him not lift it? Why him not lift it? Do that and beat we. Do that and beat the bloggers them Andrew Wallace. Lift the gag order. You can't do it. You can't. Any labor right sit down and listen to Andrew Wallace. Any labor right will sit down and listen to Andrew Wallace and genuinely believe Andrew Wallace. Me I tell you. These people will come out, these labor right will come out. My wisdom warriors, none of them get paid. None of the labor right them will get paid. They can't keep up. They can't keep up because they not do it from them heart. They can't keep up. How on the out here talking about 5 investigated for illicit enrichment? Did observers say that? 8 is undergoing investigation for illicit enrichment. We know that. 8 is under ongoing investigation. This now what observer put out and say 5 PNP. And listen, IC is not going to say 5 PNP and 3 JLP. Because the last time when they said 2 more was added, IC couldn't mention it was PNP or JLP. Because what Andrew Holness did, them could before when Mark Golden used to talk about it, there was no gag order. Let me tell you that. That's why so sometimes you have understanding. So on a labor right. Una dunce bat, no for uno. And me know say no for uno know what una do. And uno look stupid. Because the man don't even care about Jamaican people. That's why me know say una fool boy. Una fool. Because look on the healthcare system. Look on the healthcare system. The man not even look on healthcare. He not even do a side eye on healthcare system. The man not care about Jamaican people. I want a dirty king labor right come out and talk about Andrew Holness is a good Andrew Holness administration. Andrew Holness administration. Uno na see. And as somebody like that, you see, uno labor right, where I run down Andrew Holness, uno a criminal too. Let me tell you from now. I'm not talk with water in my mouth. Uno a criminal. That's why uno defend this man. Uno a criminal, uno a thief. Whether uno want like me, yes, I don't want to give a shit. Listen, me used to uno by now. Every day uno send church. Every blasted day. And things so uno go call me down. Uno not even know. Hey, let me tell you something. The more uno send it to me, the more it encourage. You see, uno threat is an encouragement. Uno threat is an encouragement. You know why? Because I am protected by the Most High. I am covered. And no weapon will form up against me shall prosper. No weapon will never prosper. Every single weapon will rise up against me. I cancel that. And I send it to the pit of hell. May whatever uno want to happen to me, may it happen to uno and uno generation. Triple. My wisdom warriors, all me have to tell you no say, don't listen to the labor right them. Because them don't know their head from them foot. They need help themselves. And it is really sad. It is really sad. And I pity them, my wisdom warriors. I say the one them will know what Andrew Holness is doing and out here lying to their people. Them out here lying to their Jamaican people, misleading them own people. Misleading them own people, my wisdom warriors. God I go deal with them. You can't do that. You can't do that. You understand? You can't do that. You can't say you want to be a leader and you out here lying, misleading the Jamaican people. Be truthful. This is not a democracy country. It could never be. Be truthful. We want an honest prime minister. A prime minister that cares about our people. We don't want a prime minister where only a scrape. We don't want that. We don't want a prime minister that scrape. We don't want that. And Andrew Holness, if you have any integrity left in you, brother, you wouldn't do us a favor and resign. You would. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, bangarang in a EOJ, in the electoral office to blows and skirt. The electoral office has confirmed that an assistant returning officer has resigned amid investigations into allegations regarding the list of voters in the St. Ann Northeast constituency. Director of Elections Glasspool Brown confirmed the ongoing investigation in a letter dated September the 3rd, 2024, and addressed to People's National Party representative on the Electoral Commission, Wentworth Skeffrey. So, the assistant returning officer resigned amid investigation. My wisdom warriors. So Una said this a person, this a assistant returning officer resigned because of investigations into allegations regarding the list of voters in St. Anne's. Una only has a list of voters. Una have to come straight and make we know what go on. Una just have go around like headless chicken. Let we know exactly what happened. What go on with the voters list? We want to know. Put out more so we know what is going on. What I mean? Investigation into allegations regarding the list of voters in the St. Ann North. Listen, why una bother? Una not say PNP na contest with uno. PNP na contest. So why una even do a by election? Just take it. Why una even do by election? PNP is not contesting. So una not have to do no by election. Just take this one down. Like mighty God of Daniel. Like seriously. Seriously, my wisdom warriors, me tell you something. You see, all of them something here what happen, a peer exposure and go on, and a whole heap of distraction. And we're not going to spend time on this, but me just want to know what is going on. Me just want to know, say, the assistant returning officer will just come back, then resign. You understand? The person resign. The person no want, but guess what? Really and truly, a glass pole we want for resign, you know. A Glasspool Brown, we want to resign. Are you we want to resign? You, we want to resign. Because we not trust your brother. Let me tell you, we not trust you. We not trust none of you, we not trust. None of uno we do not trust. Not even one of uno. And you, the Jamaican people, really want to resign you. When me see come out my wisdom warriors, me I say, me think I did glass pole to box cover. I want to resign. Last but not least, my wisdom warriors, Jamaica, me want to remember, take the time to remember say Andrew Wallace signed Samoa agreement. He signed Samoa agreement. He collected 1.1 billion US dollars to promote same-sex marriage in Jamaica and transgenderism in Jamaica. You hear me? I mean, I hear no labor right come out and talk about that. And that we want enough to talk about. Talk about that. On the dirty king labor right. Talk about that. And that we want enough to talk about. You now come, you have the guts. Do this and beat me. Come out and talk about it. Venetia, you not say nothing. On the labor right now say nothing. So you all not agree with the Samoa agreement where Andrew only sign. You all know. And no found the labor right, but you no believe. You no believe. So how you no believe? How when you see the observer put out 5 PNP and 3 JLP reported for illicit enrichment? How you believe that? How you believe that? And the same very paper put out to Andrew Wallace then sign some more agreement and you no believe. You see who know? Me have to laugh at you know. You see who all know? The whole are really fishnet. The whole all you know go on. Una fishnet. Una fishnet. Una labor right. Dirty king labor right. Una fishnet. And this one if you come and talk about. We don't want this in our country. Only una alone want it in our country. Why you all no pack up and go on one island, go do them the sitting there in our island? Why Andrew Owens not take you all out no labor right and pack up and go somewhere with a Samoa agreement? Because me no hear no labor right come out and defend this and my wisdom warriors. Me no hear none of them come out and talk about it, you know. None of them no come out and say this is wrong. Andrew, why you doing it? That's why I'm telling you, sir, you can't walk in a PNP shows no time. Because one thing when I notice with the PNP black of them, they fear. Them fear me, I telling you that. Me watch them all the while. But on the labor right, you can't say una get pay. Una can't say una get pay. Una can't walk in a PNP people them shows. No dear. No time. Because this summer agreement should never happen. Andrew Owens get 1.1 billion US dollar. You know what them call it? The donor grant. A grant donor, them call it, my wisdom warriors. Grant donor. For promote same-sex marriage in Jamaica. And not one labor right. So, una all right with the prime minister for come batty up Jamaica. No, my wisdom warriors, me say it already, I'm going to say it again. I'm not against nobody. We are rainbow. I'm not against them. You understand? But principle is principle. This is not our Jamaica. We know a lot of people do them something there, yes, behind closed doors. But why Andrew want it for ball in a Jamaica? Remember, say Andrew Owens are the same very person who got England, you know. Go tell them, say, how Jamaican people, them are evolve around it. And the church, them are evolve, you know. And that Andrew Owens got England, you know. Go tell everybody, you know. I bet say no come out and say that to the Jamaican people. The only time Andrew Owens I go have strength I when Jamaica turn republic. If you make a mistake and make Andrew Owens being on president, dog I go name with all for me suffer too. The whole of we, the good I go suffer for the bad. The good I go suffer for the bad. Because now it's not going to be about labor right and it's not going to be about PNP. It's going to be about Andrew. It's going to be about Andrew Owens dictatorship. Yes, and that it going to be about. So I want people to come out and talk about this because our country is not about that. Our country is not about that. When we talk about it, a lot of people get upset. You have to understand, this is not us. I know say you have enough people who do them kind of something there. I am not against what they want to do in their house, in a business. But I don't believe it's right to come and force that. With Pitney, it is not right. So what Christopher Tufton do, see what the health ministry do. They ain't gonna do apps we call youth chats and have you put them over there going with pure foolishness and the parents them have to find out. See, the parents them find out by see them putting on the app and the parents them call for that to be removed. And all now, Christopher Tufton no remove it. He ain't gonna suspend it. You know why I'm suspend it? Because them are wait for Andrew Owens turn president. Then all you see, Jamaica, una gonna know, una gonna learn the hard way. Me not even say uno, come here Jamaican too. We are gonna learn the hard way. You know why? Cause tick broke in our ears. We not try to listen with understanding and learn. We not try. That's why. Good I go suffer for the bad. And me really feel sorry for we. Me really feel sorry for we. But anyway, wanna tell me what you think, tell me how you feel about it, and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome.